something's impossible, like building a Jenga tower and it keeps falling down, or even studying, and even like tryouts for a football squad or a basketball squad, and you say this is never gonna happen or it's impossible. Well, that's what's gonna happen if you keep saying it. Your brain's gonna think of it and make it happen. Because remember, anything you say, your brain makes it happen.
Hi, I'm Stella. I'm a 10-year-old certified kids yoga teacher, and this is
Ale Alessandro, a 7-year-old who loves yoga, science, experiment, football, and Lego.
Well, today we're going to show you a cool experiment that shows you how believing in yourself can change everything, including your mind.
Here's what you'll need. Ice. And you can use one of these.
Oops.
So your hands don't get frostbite.
Wait, what? They're going to get frostbite?
Well, if
They're not going to get frost.
And
Water.
A glass of water, salt,
And a string. So, let's put our ice cube into the water.
this gigantic one.
Yep.
These
Put
are
it-
2 ice cubes.
Oops.
Explosion.
Okay, so let's see if I put the string laid on top,
That looks like
if it will fly up or if it will stay down. What do you think, Alan?
that explosion when the
Alan,
water...
what do you think?
I don't think it's gonna go up.
Okay.
Unless something held it.
Well, looks like it didn't come up.
That explosion literally looked like episode like boom with some explosion.
Watch it.
Watch it.
So it didn't work, right, Alan?
Nah, it didn't.
This is just like how life might feel sometimes. You might feel like life is pulling you down and you feel tired and like you don't want to do anything anymore.
Like you're lazy.
No, not like you're lazy. Like life gets hard and you don't know what to do exactly.
Or you want to give up.
Or you want to give up.
Like in a test or something.
Yes. But that's when we need to remind ourselves that we need to try something new. Just like adding a little salt. So, now we put the string on top and then we put the salt. Alan, mind putting the salt? Add a little more salt.
Oi. More?
Yeah, just more.
Oi. Like
Yes.
salt monster.
So now we just wait for a little bit.
A bit
No.
more?
Just. Alright, now we just wait for a little bit.
No.
So,
Snow.
Alan, we're gonna take deep breaths. Meanwhile, we wait for a few seconds for the salt to work its magic. Let's take a few deep breaths. Deep breath in. Hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath out. So now let's repeat some affirmations. Alan?
I can do hard things.
And I believe in myself. So, let's lift up the ice.
Ooh! Ooh!
The string. Alan, no.
The string magic.
1, 2.
2.
This is what you can do if you practice hard.
Magic string.
So, when we repeat affirmations, our brain actually starts to believe them. So, this is what your brain can be like. So, you see how at the beginning we thought it was impossible? But see, with a little change of perspective, anything can be possible. So, believing in yourself works the same way. So, next time something feels too hard, remember our ice cube experiment. Thanks for watching Stella and Alice Happy Mind Lab. Bye! See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
No, see you next time and then don't forget to like.
Yeah!